Hello, your Virgo partner. Energies for this week. Your partner is holding on to a relationship, to your relationship, but doesn't know how to maintain a happy one. Is always something with him, wanting to be noticed, and sometimes is positive, the other times is pessimistic. Your partner feels lonely. I think it's because in the past you undermined his authority and you weren't paying attention to his needs. Your partner is showing, expressing his feelings by actions, is not a very emotional being. Your partner is hiding his hurts and acting like everything is alright, but is not. You act a little too cold, but I see you running away from this partnership. Your partner truly wants a stable relationship and is fearing of being controlled and of breaking his heart. A possible outcome for this week is that your partner to act cold too and to search for other ways to fulfill his desires. Thank you. See you. Goodbye.